पीरियड का ब्लड इतना ही शुद्ध है, इतना ही अच्छा है, इतना ही सही और इतना ही पवित्र है कि भगवान को छू सकते हैं इस पीरियड में हम इस ब्लड को इकट्ठा करके डोनेट क्यों नहीं कर सकते? मैं तो साइंस की बात कर रही हूँ। क्या साइंटिफिकली कोई भी हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर्स इस ब्लड को किसी व्यक्ति के शरीर में पुनः चढ़ाएगा? क्या ये ब्लड इकट्ठा करके किसी मरते हुए को जिंदगी दी जा सकती है?
Sure, let's talk science. We don't use tears for transfusions either. Are tears impure? We don't use sweat for transfusions. Is sweat impure? We don't use saliva to save lives. Should people who salivate not enter temples? Just because something isn't running through your veins doesn't make it impure. That's not how science works. That's not how anything works. And here's what that same period blood actually does, since we're talking science. It is the reason every single human being on this planet exists. Every single one. That blood doesn't just flow out. When it stays, it literally builds a human. It grows organs, it creates life. Every person making this argument against period blood exists because of period blood. And actually, menstrual blood stem cells are actively being researched for medical breakthroughs. So science isn't calling it impure, science is calling it promising. But fine, if period blood is truly so impure, let's commit to that logic fully. Let's vow that no child will ever be born using that impure blood. Let's find a way to create human life without periods, without menstruation, without that biology. No? Can't do that? Then maybe, just maybe, it's not impure. Maybe we just decided it was because it was convenient, because it gave us one more way to control women.
माँ कामाख्या स्वयं रजस्वला से होती हैं। ये बात अलग है कि इन्हें रजस्वला का अर्थ भी नहीं पता।
People talk about Kamakhya Devi being Rajaswala but don't even know what the word means, which is funny because in the same conversation, the word Rajaswala was used correctly.
नवरात्रों की पूजा में उन्हीं कन्याओं को बैठाइएगा जो रजस्वला से होती हैं। इनफैक्ट जो रजस्वला से हो रही हो उन्हें बैठाइएगा।
जो लड़कियां रजस्वला होती हैं, meaning girls who are menstruating, used perfectly, correct context, right meaning, and then moments later, people don't even know what Rajaswala means.
ये बात अलग है कि इन्हें रजस्वला का अर्थ भी नहीं पता कि रजस्वला में रज क्या है, उन्हें वो भी नहीं पता।
So either the word was used without understanding its meaning, which means the whole argument built on it collapses, or it was used correctly and the contradiction was just hoping nobody would notice. Either way, the point defeats itself. The saddest thing about patriarchy isn't that men enforce it, it's that it's so deeply rooted. Sometimes women defend the very system that controls them and genuinely believe they are protecting their faith.